Okay, I just got off work and I got home. Well, my package came yesterday. Shout out to Costway for sponsoring this video, but they sent me a treadmill. Y'all, I feel love because y'all know I'm trying to lose weight, but I'm finna change clothes, get ready to do this unboxing and all that. We finna be running, we finna be lit. But let me change right quick and then I'm gonna come right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so with the Superfit, the Costway treadmill that they sent me, it do come with an app. So you guys want to download the app, which is GymX. So that is what it look like. And then before getting on your treadmill, you just gonna click on it, and then I already did like the height and all that. Then you set that up, and they have like different things you can do, like the hit fat burning run, free combination run, mileage challenge, cycling challenge, and all that. Yeah, just a good little app to help you stay fit and stay on track. So be sure to download this app before getting on your new treadmill. I don't have my camera with me, so we coming off the phone. A fat ankle lady just hit my man car. Okay, let me find the lights. Let's find the light. Hold on, yeah, I gotta find the light. So, I'm sitting in the car. I said I was gonna vlog today. We back at it again, you know, with another lit vlog, period. Gang, gang. So, I said I was gonna vlog today. I did want to vlog today because of my outfit. And then I noticed, y'all, comment down below something. It can't be my necklaces because all my necklaces are like, my jewelry is real. But I only break out, let me zoom in this one spot, like right here. I break out right there. And that's very much, it made me insecure a little bit. Because when I walk around, I be like this, thinking somebody looking at me. But I'm currently right now sitting in the parking lot. Will is at therapy right now. Somebody hit his car and injured him a little bit. So, he got to do therapy and all that. Thank God when I had my wreck, I was not injured. He did have to go through all this, but he has to go through all this. It's crazy. So right now we have seen her. We had All Stars. I was gonna vlog that, but my hands was like zitty. So I'm like, you know what? I'm finna eat these wings and just let me take off my glasses because I be feeling like I look good without my glasses. But speaking of glasses, I need to call the eyeglass place. I need to call, like during my wreck, y'all, I miss a lot of important appointments. Y'all know I supposed to be getting my braces back. The day I supposed to get my braces back, I was in the wreck. So I got the braces, and I don't want this little gap right there. That gotta go. So I need to call them back, reschedule it. I need to call and reschedule getting my teeth clean. I think that's it. I'm very big on my teeth, y'all. For those who didn't know, I am very big when it comes to like mouth hygiene, like hygiene period, but especially mouth, because I say I would never be one of them old people who you just be looking and they ain't got no teeth, like their teeth just be falling out. No lie, y'all, I had to do a story time. No lie, rest in peace to my grandma, but I saw her last tooth fall out. Like, she was easy. So was it some noodles? It had to be some noodles. She was eating some noodles and her tooth just fell out. Her last tooth. So I ain't gonna be like that. Like, before the wreck, I never missed a dentist appointment. I was always on time. Never. Y'all, take care of y'all mouth. Like, take care of your mouth. Go to the dentist. Go to the orthodontist. Go get clean. Like, I feel like I'm gonna talk about so much stuff and then just sitting in this parking lot. I don't know. But I wanna my cousin, shout out to Crystal, she sent me I feel stopped up. Coupon to massage Envy. Not a coupon, girl. Not a coupon. No. My cousin Richard in it. She sent me a gift card to massage Envy. For those who don't know, I never had a professional massage and I really want to go. So I'm going to have to take time and plan a day where I do like a spa day and go and book my appointment. Like, for real, because I would like to be rubbed down, feeling all good and loosen up a little bit. So I'm going to do that. Matter of fact, I can do that tomorrow. I'm going to see if Destin want to go with me. Hold on, let me tell y'all the date. I gotta be talking. Today is, hold on. Today is March 18th. It is currently 2:48. He went in at 2:30. He used to stay in about 30 minutes. But I used to like leave and go get something to eat. But he wanted to have lunch with me. He wanted to do a little lunch date, whatever. So we went before. Because we were hungry. So now I'm just waiting on him. And that's about it, y'all. If y'all want me to keep talking, I ain't got nothing else to talk about. I don't know, we on the road to 30K. Girl, did y'all see that? So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, but I don't know. What y'all want to talk about? Hello? But I'm finna go, y'all. I'm gonna vlog me and Will day today. If we do something, I don't know if we doing something. I asked him, I threw a hint and was like, ooh, I want to see Batman. So we might go do that. But just stay tuned, okay? Y'all know I'm very random. Just stay tuned. Follow me. So yeah, I'm still sitting in the parking lot, but look at this. Like, girl, still got, keep in mind, y'all, yes, for those who don't know, I did buy my car brand new, but look, it still got the plastic. I'm gonna take it out. Girl, it still got the plastic on here. I'm gonna get my car clean today, but look at that. And I don't want to take it off here because I don't want it to get scratched. And I know y'all get y'all new phone and y'all be wanting to take that off. That's how I feel about my car. I don't want to take this off. I know, I'm gonna leave it. Cause I want my screen a little scratchy and all that. Now, new phone, new car, period. Still no pickles. Chill out. Out the mud. I'm gonna get up off here into, hey, come out. Okay, hey you guys, I'm on lunch with my man. I gotta sneak him in. But we at Cranberry, y'all. If you live in Memphis, I ain't gonna lie, they so good. Call it in though, cause she's slow. Say hey, babe.
What's up with it?
Surprise, he on camera, cause he don't like being on camera. Y'all, it's so fine. No lie, it's so fine. Okay, I gotta catch the sun. There we go. I gotta find one of this thing. We're walking to get drinks with cash cipher. while the food get ready, because like I told y'all, she is a little slow, but it's worth it. It's worth the wait. Showing him how you walk. He works so good, y'all. If you saw, what's that movie called? I can't think of that movie, y'all, but
Infinity, baby, stop. Infinity.
it's a movie, y'all. I can't think of it, but it got the dude, his dog named Shadow. I mean, not the dog. Dog. What's that movie?
Hey, you just got stuff all on your arm talking about what that move. Give me that. Y'all don't know the move. Look how she walk out. Come on, walk, baby. Look at that. Feet going all out. Why her feet go out like that? She thick though. She got them cakes. It's her birthday because she got cakes.
That's what that man said. Y'all, it's called, I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna insert it. He walked just like that old man. Ease on down the road. Ease on down the road. Sing it.
I don't know this song.
It says say ease on down. Why would you do that? Y'all, people gonna be thinking we walking. He decided to walk to the store like we ain't got no car, so that was so.
We need exercise because we lazy.
Who? Speak for yourself.
When the last time you worked out?
Yesterday, me and Destiny were riding bikes.
That ain't no workout.
That is a workout.
We ride bikes for fun in the hood. When the last time you did a push-up?
When last time you did a push-up? When last time you did a push-up?
I'll push up in that HELLCAT every day. What you talking about?
It's all ratchet. Excuse the language. He's just a little ratchet. We almost back.
There go her boyfriend right here. Put it on her.
We almost back here.
Nah.
Nah. Nah. Back.